What's the meaning of candelabra? Candelabra. Candelabra.
Candelabra. Candelabra. A candelabra is a branched candlestick holder, typically used for holding multiple candles. The word candelabra comes from the Latin candelabrum, meaning candlestick. Candelabras are commonly used as decorative items for special occasions, such as weddings and formal dinners. They can be made from a variety of materials, including metal, wood, and crystal. Some candelabras are designed to be mounted on walls, while others are freestanding. Candelabras can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room or event.